Okay, so our freezer has been icy super cold. Refrigerator has not been cold at all. So I've unplugged everything, took everything out of the back, cleaned up, and now we are going to look inside. I took off the controls. There's the refrigerator, freezer control. Everything looks fine and working together in there. We took off this cover that was in the refrigerator right about here. Just undid it, unpried a couple things. If you look here, this opening where the air comes down is solid ice. Can't pull it because there's a lot of styrofoam there, and this little cover would go over it to let cold air in to get the refrigerator cold. But now, solid ice. So we're going to try to defrost this and see how it goes.